Hello, this is John Hauser at clickonit Incorporated. I'm doing a demo here for Avery Dennis in Asia. She obviously seen what I've done with presentation media, and basically I'm using the same types of application development for linear presentations or high-end executive presentations, but the same thing can also be leveraged for interactive media like this. Could be on Windows Surface Pro devices or any Windows 8 touch device, or even standard PCs that can, these kind of things can be mouse driven. But to start the demo, basically what I have on the front screen here is just a little video loop, and this is the kind of thing maybe in a trade show setting where you can leverage the visual space to have something operational up there that's playing and looks good. But when it wants to be, when someone wants to engage with it, if they just touch the screen, it gets into more of an interface kind of a situation. Now with Avery Dennison, I have done some things here where I retrofitted some old things to some old Avery Dennison projects that I worked on. This is a sequence of animations that I did, but I just wanted to sort of show how this can be used as a tool in a presentation to show how your products work and function. And basically we can have sort of a non-linear clickable thing here that shows how how various things work. Now I can also provide animation services, so all of these are things that I had designed and developed, and these can be output as video or as interactive pieces to be integrated with systems. So basically, another thing I have here that I think would work is a little piece I did for Avery Dennison, or I'm sorry, for Parker Hannifin. And what it is it's like a virtual shop floor basically. And what you do is you pick pieces of the shop, and it shows where Parker Hannifin's products fit within that situation. So for instance, if we look here at the compressor room, we can say, okay, this particular filter works in that part of the compressor room, and other pieces in here. And some details. Now what I did with one of these too was I embedded some QR in some of this stuff. So if this was a self-driven situation, someone might want to, get a PDF or something like that from their mobile device, or some kind of contact information. They can just shoot the QR code, and that would allow them to make a connection with Avery Dennison related to these products. This is another one I did that was for a steel construction business that makes structural steel components for construction. And it's kind of nice. It has kind of a little non-linear navigation here where it's got a jump menu where you can jump from one thing to another and show those particular products. So that's kind of cool. So all these things can have many layers of animation and interaction. So it's kind of like the sky's the limit as far as interface, animation, how many layers, embedding video, embedding all kinds of things into these things. Also on here, just to show you the QR thing, if I were going to shoot this, I have some contact information. If you touch that and you scan that code on my device, it takes you to my contact page for my website and my location to a map. So just to show you how that would work. I also built into this a little help menu system if someone wants to know how to run it. I did this for a display house, and they wanted to make sure that the people running the displays knew how these things work. So that can also be built into these types of things. But anyway, I hope that this is a sufficient demonstration, and maybe we can build something like this together. So thanks for your time.